Guys, what if it's green? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is JB of Jonaks Beauty and I'm a makeup artist in real life and on YouTube. Today guys, I have this interesting video for you. I hope you guys find it interesting. So I was on YouTube a few weeks ago and I saw this challenge that's been making rounds on YouTube and I thought to try it out. The challenge is basically doing your makeup in LED light, so it could be whatever color of LED light you choose. And the reason why this is quite a challenge is because when the lights are changed, like when we don't have our natural light anymore, all the colors on our palettes lose their natural colors, so you really cannot tell which colors you are using and which colors you're not. Do you get? So I kind of found it interesting and I thought, why not? So today we are going to be doing this makeup together. I'm going to be changing this light from this to this. Guys, let's have some fun. Starting off, I'll be starting off my primer, and you know that we have to prime, and I'll be using that to prime my face just before I apply my makeup. Guys, I'm so nervous. But we are here to have some fun, so why not? And following that up, I'll be going in with my foundation. I'll be applying that on my face using a brush. Oh my god, guys, this foundation literally looks like a black foundation in this color. I can see that I'm applying foundation, right? But I can't really tell how much I am applying. This is one of these things that makes this a challenge because you really can't tell anything. So like, this is one of the easiest parts of this challenge because it's foundation. You just have to be careful because in this light you really can't tell how much you're applying. Alright guys, so I'm done applying the foundation and I'll just go in with my beauty blender to further blend it in. This is my foundation all done. Going in with my concealer, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I'm going with my beauty blender to blend it in. Wow guys. Alright, so I have blended in my concealer. I'm going to move straight to using my setting powder to set the highlighted part of my face. Guys, just come with me. Just be patient and follow me through this. Let's see what we end up having at the end of this challenge. I've tried to blend in the foundation and the concealer as far as this light would allow me to, and this is what we have. Fingers crossed guys, hopefully I don't look like an egungun. And now we're going to move on to the eyes, which is the challenging part. Guys, this light is getting into my eyes. It's making me feel sleepy, but we have to do what we have to do. Now that my brows are drawn, I'm going to move straight to the eyeshadow, which guys is the interesting part of this challenge. I'm going straight to my P. Louise base shade 5. I'm going to be using that to prepare my lid for my eyeshadow colors. Please pray for me guys, I can't guarantee anything. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using these two palettes, my Eye Magic palette and my Spectrum palette. These palettes are very, very colorful and I'm not used to using both of them, so I cannot tell which colors are in this palette and where they are, which is the essence of this challenge. Now let me show you guys. This palette consists of a lot of colors, but you can tell that all the colors are monochrome. Like you can just see blacks and white. You can tell that some colors are definitely deeper than the other, but you cannot tell which color is showing, which is the essence of this challenge. Pray for me guys, pray for me. So I'm going to be dipping into this palette and I'm also going to be using this Spectrum palette as well. I'm going to dip into this color first as my transition color, and we're going to start with that. So let's do this, guys. Okay, it looks like a subtle color. Hopefully it is applying. And guys, I'm going to try to apply just a little product at a time so that I don't come out looking like what I can't describe. I'm picking the colors with my brush, but I can't see them on my face. Let's hope we're not overdoing it. And for my lid, I think I want to go in with a shimmery color. So for that, I think I'll go in with this first, taking just a bit, and then applying that on my lid. Ooh, guys, look at that. Oh, this looks cute. So going in with that color again, I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. I just hope I'm not applying a red eyeshadow. But guys, I'm going to go in with this other color, and I'm going to apply that also on my lid, but on this outer part. And I'm going to try to blend both colors together so that there's a symmetry. So I've applied both colors on my lid. I'm going to go in with this color. It doesn't look very black, I hope. So I'm just going to use this to dip in the outer part of my lid. Now I'm just blending in those colors so that I have like good transition. Okay, guys, it's looking good, don't you think? In this light, look at the blend. It looks so good. But let's hope we chose the right colors. For eyeliner, I'll be going in with my Zaron gel liner, and I'll be using that to line my eyes. For my waterline, I'll be going in with this black eye pencil from Primark. I'll be going in with that same dark shade I used for my eyes. I'll be using that to smudge out the lower part of my eyes. Using my Zaron mascara, I'm going to use that on my bottom lashes. For highlight, I'm going to be using my Primark highlighter. I'm just going to be using a bit of that on my face. But using my MAC Studio Fix Plus, I'm going to use that to, spray my face. So for lips, I'm going to be using one of the shades in this. The reason why I'm using this is because I just depotted this lipstick, so I can't remember which lipstick is which. So this is what I'll be using today. Let me just go through it. Oh my god, guys, I don't have a white lipstick, but look at this palette. This lipstick is literally white. Anyway, I'm going to be mixing these lipsticks, and hopefully we come up with something really good. This is what they look like in the pan. Using my lip brush, I'm going to go in with this shade. It looks like a dark shade of lipstick. I'm going to be using that to line my lips, and then use a lighter shade in this box as well to highlight the middle part of my lips. So let's do this. I think this thing is red though. Guys, what if it's green? Alright, so I've blended that in. I'm going to go in with this color that looks like a white lipstick. I'm going to be using that to line the middle part. Fingers crossed, guys. Yes, guys, so that's lipstick all done. What do you guys think? I'm going to spray my face for the last time, and we'll be done with this look. So this is my face all made up without changing the light. What do you guys think? I honestly think it looks really good. In this light, man, I'm ready to slay. But when the lights are turned off, guys, I cannot guarantee anything. So,
viewers' discretion is advised.
So guys, let's have the big reveal. Alright guys, so the lights are turned off and we have our natural light again. Thank God. Let's do this, guys. Ta-da! Oh my God, guys! Oh my God! Oh my God! Look at that! I did it! Oh my God, guys! I can literally go out like this. I mean, and all the colors were just plain when I was using them. I actually thought this was going to be red, but it turned out to be. Wait, what color is this though? Ah, guys, the color that looked like white. Look at it. Ah, okay, so it's actually close to white though. Oh, so this is what we have, guys. Please leave your comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this challenge and how I did. Please rate me. Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me. If you haven't liked this video, please give me a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We would like to have you join this family. And until next time, guys, Jesus loves you. Bye.